Good day everyone, I am Treasure May Alberasin and today I'll be discussing about the basic types of modern business models. So the first one is the nickel and dime. So this model makes use of the lowest price strategy in selling basic product or service to the customers. Since the basic price is low, additional charges for the other perks and services that are offered or are required. So the nickel and dime is a business strategy where a company sells some things at a very low basic price, but then add extra charges for other things that customers might want or need. So at first, it looks cheap, but when you start adding the extras like mga food, drinks, or seat choices, the total cost becomes higher. One of the example of this is Cebu Pacific Airline. So their flight tickets is very affordable, diba? But if you want extras like mga meals or snacks, beverages, extra baggage, seat selection, you have to pay an additional fee for each of those price. So in short, the basic price is low to attract the customers, but the company earns profit through the small extras fee. So one of the example pod is the online shopping. Then kanang mga Shopee or Lazada, items may seems look cheap but additional shipping fees or service fees are added at checkout. So again, the nickel and dime model makes product or services look cheap at first, but customers pay extras for every added feature or service. The second one is the freemium. This model is a combination of free and paid services normally used by tech companies in the software as a service or apps business model. Usually, the basic services are free but a limited time or with limited features. So the basic service comes with app advertisements and storage restriction, but the premium plans do not have. In order to unlock the upgraded features, the customers has to choose for paid. So the freemium is the mix of free and premium. It's a business strategy where a company gives users basic service for free, but if they want more features or no ads, they need to pay for the premium version. So, how it works? Premium version, anyone can use it without paying, but it has limited features na siya mga ads or restricted storage or time. So, it means to let the people try the products and get comfortable using it. So, premium version, you pay a monthly or yearly fee. It gives extra tools, no ads, more storage, or better performance. Sa example sa premium are the Zoom, Spotify, and the Dropbox. Diba sa Zoom kay lets you host free online meetings but only up to 40 minutes lang, diba ta ana kanang. Then usahay po ng mga participants na to ana is dili jud siya moabot sa no over sa basta na siya limit. And then if gusto nimo madugay-dugay ang meet og no ad og wala siya ad or magkuan kag participants, tid nimo jud siya ma-pay. And short, ay parehara po sa mga Spotify, di ba? If gusto nato makakuan bitaw ta, maka music bitaw ta, but na jud siya mga ads every minute. So kung gusto ninyo unlimited or wala siya ads or gusto niyo mag-relapse, mag-avail mo premium. So in short, the premium model attracts user by offering fees access first, then encourages them to pay later for a better ad-free and more powerful version of the product. The third one is the electronic commerce. This model is an upgradation of the old style brick and mortar business model. It focuses on buying and selling of goods or services, creating a website using the internet. So the transaction of transfer of money and data are executed via the internet. So the e-commerce is a modern business model where buying and selling of goods or services happens over the internet na siya instead of physical stores. So it is an upgraded version naman sa traditional brick and mortar business model. So in the past, diba, customers had to visit the physical stores to purchase the items. So how e-commerce works? So online store creation. So a business creates a website or online shop where products or services are displayed with siya descriptions, mga prices, and then siya mga images. So customer browsing and ordering. So customers visit via website, select an products, add them to a cart and place an order. So napoy isa pud ani sa online payment. Payments are made through the internet. Diba, if natay kanang mag-order ta through online, pwede mag-online na pud ato ang magbayad. And then sa e-commerce operates through the internet jud na siya. Available na siya 24/7. Online payment system jud na siya. Home delivery, accessible through mobile phones and computers. The fourth one is the subscription. This model offers a long-term contract to customers by paying a fixed amount every month or year. So the company needs to provide enough value to its customers for repeat purchases by visiting the website over and over again. So the subscription is a type of business model where customers pay a fixed amount regularly, monthly, quarterly, and yearly to access a product or service. So instead of buying a product once, customers enter a long-term agreement with the company. So as long as they continue paying the subscription fee, they can keep using the service. So ang example ani is the Netflix. 'Di ba, if di jud na to magamit, 'di ba, ang Netflix if wala jud tay bayad. And ang sa Netflix pod kay murag na siya na siya mga lahi-lahi na amount kung sa cellphone ka or sa iPad or sa big screen. The fifth one is the aggregator. This is a network model. The company acts as a middleman between two individual parties. Under this business model, most companies provide information and sources on a single industry. The company sells its own brand by creating value for both demand and supply side. It makes profit through commissions. So aggregator models is a network-based business model where a company acts as a middleman between services providers mo na siyang supply side and customers mo na siyang demand side mo, lahi po na sila. So the company does not usually own the products or services. Instead, it connects providers and customers through a single platform and earns money mainly through the commissions or services fees. So for example is the Airbnb. So Airbnb connects property owners with travelers. Uber for taxi service connects drivers with the passengers. So again, the aggregator is like a middleman that collects stuff from many sources and presents on one place. In the online marketplace, there is a collection of different sellers into one platform. These sellers compete with each other to deliver similar product, service at competitive prices. So good brand built from factors such as trust, free, and or on-time home delivery, and quality sellers is vital in an online marketplace. The online marketplace earns commission on every sale carried in its platform. So online marketing is a type of e-commerce platform where multiple independent sellers offer their products or services in one digital place. So customers can visit one website or app na siya and choose from many sellers who may offer similar products at different prices, creating competition. So, for example, is the Amazon. Amazon hosts millions of third-party sellers, and then the Alibaba is connects global buyers and the suppliers. So, sa atua is, for example, sa ato is sa Shopee. So, Shopee is daghan seller dito same product pud na siya but different prices na sa atua kung ahata mamili or basta ka nang makapili ta dirag mga goods. And then basta ang online marketing is the multiple sellers in one platform. Hidden revenue. In this model, the company offers its services for free. The company earns revenue streams from advertisements, which are paid for by identified sponsors when information is shared. Users of Google's, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter don't pay for the search engine. But these companies earns from the advertising money spent by businesses. So hidden revenue is a business model where a company offers its product for free to users but earns money from the advertisements or sponsors. So the revenue is called hidden because users do not directly pay for the service. Instead, advertisements pay the company to show ads to users. So, example, pod kay sa Google. Ang Google is free search engine, earns from ads. Dito na sila. Then, the Facebook is free social networking site funded by ads pod. Then the Instagram is the free photo sharing app supported by advertising. Twitter free microblogging platform earnings through ads. So kita di ba mabantay ninyo if not mag Facebook ta usa ng mga platform at makuan kay halos dun na sila yung mga ads mo na ang hidden revenue. Data licensing, data selling. The internet has given rise to the importance of data. Data is a major element in the web technology where companies need vital information to perform its operation and gain profit. Twitter sells real-time data to third-party users for analysis, advertising, customers' insight, and other uses. So the data licensing is also known as the data selling. It is a business model where a company collects valuable data and sells or licenses into third parties for analysis, research, advertising, or business decision making. So in today's digital world, data is very valuable. Companies use data to understand customers' behavior, market trends, and performance. Instead of changing users directly, some platforms earn money by giving other businesses access to their data. Usually, man siyang aggregated or aggregated. So, for example po, di ba, naka-attach is the Twitter. Twitter sells real-time public data to third parties for market analysis yun na sa advertising insights, customers behavior research, and trend monitoring. So, kanang third party mo na siya ang outside person that buy data. Agency-based. So, this is a partner company that has a specialization in doing non-core business activities such as the advertising, digital marketing, PR, even janitorial, and security. So usually, businesses that has no internal know how hire agencies to acquire a customizable solution to their needs. So Leo Burnett Company is an agency that services United Airlines, McDonald's, Kellogg's, and some of their notable clients. So the agency-based model is a business model where a company called agency provides specialized services to other businesses. These services are usually non-core activities, meaning they are not main function of the company hiring the agency. Instead of doing everything internally, companies hire agency that have expert knowledge and skills. So, what are the non-core activities? So, non-core activities is na siya mga advertising, mga digital marketing, public relations, mo na siyang PR, the janitorial services, security services, brand and design. Like for example, mo na sila ang kanang sa kuan kang Leah Burnett Company, a global advertising agency. Nata siya sa notable clients include mo na siyang United Airlines, the McDonald's, Kellogg's, and some of their notable clients. That's end of my report. Thank you.